Okay, so when you looked at this example here, you had 2x plus 3 equals 5, and you had to graph the solution. So the first thing you needed to do was to think of that as being split into two parts. The 2x plus 3, I should just do it with typing, equals positive 5. Let's do that. So let's look at that example where we have case 1 and case 2. So what we're going to do is type on each of those. So you're going to split it into two parts. You're going to have your case 1, which is the positive. So you have 2x plus 3 equals 5. And then you're going to solve for your x value. So you would subtract 3 from both sides. So you get 2x equals 2. Divide both sides by 2. And we get x equals 1. We have to do that again. And we have to do that for the negative side. So you have 2x plus 3 equals negative 5. And once again, you're going to move over your 3. Since it's being added, we subtract. So you get 2x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x equals negative 4. So our two roots or solutions are 1 and negative 4. So then the next part asked you to find the solution graphed on a number line that represented that. So you should have chosen answer choice A. You should have selected answer choice A. And then we did one more example. We had absolute value of x minus 3 equals negative 5. So once again, you wanted to look at your equation. And you wanted to find the value of x that made it true. So you had x minus 3 equals negative 5. We added 3 to both sides. So you got x equals, and a negative 5 plus 3 gave negative 2. However, if we would take that and we plug it back in, what do we know about an absolute value equaling a negative number? If I would take negative 2 and plug it back in, you get negative 2 minus 3 equals negative 5. What's the absolute value of negative 2 minus 3? Well, you get the absolute value of negative 5. And the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Does 5 equal negative 5? Is a positive 5 the same thing as a negative 5? No. So if at the very beginning you recognize that you had an absolute value equal to a negative, and we know that an absolute value can never be negative, what's my answer to this? Even though I got a number, what do I know about that number I got? Go ahead, Dominique. Yeah, it's going to be D, no solution, because there is no value you can plug in. So that's what we call an extraneous solution. This right here is what we call as an extraneous solution. It's where you solve the absolute value and you get a number, but that number you get fails the check. just reiterating the importance of checking our answers when we get them on a problem. Just reiterating that importance of checking our answers. Questions on that?
Just making sense to those of you who weren't here yesterday.
Did you guys watch the video we posted? If you did not watch the video, then we're going to have you watch that video now while we work on some extra practice problems. So if you didn't watch the video and you have headphones, you can watch yesterday's video. It's on Teams, and you can do that now, copying down the notes that we just gave to you.